So what we have right now is the PLC diagram for the automatic or semi-automatic um, split type air conditioning unit cleaner, meaning the evaporator side or the indoor unit. So what we have here is the emergency stop, and it's right now in normally closed. Right now is normally closed, so that when you try to make it open, when you push this, it will become open, and it will isolate all the power connections in the whole system. So this is emergency stop, and we have right here is a stop and the power on. So when you make it on, all the system will be powered, but still it's not activating on some specific functions, because what you did is just the power on. And there's a stop here for the operation. Stop anytime you can have a stop, and then it will shut down the whole system in a cascading manner, right? Now, so first, I put this with the M6, because Siemens relay is designated with the letter M. So what's happening here is that these are all normally closed. By the way, these are proximity switches on the left and right. So they are mounted, or they are connected in normally closed. And whenever they are touched or they are activated, it will become open, and it will shut down the whole system in sequence, right? So the three push button that we have is this, no? Push button for 5 minutes, push button for 10, and push button for 15 um, minutes. So what we have is that when you try to push this one, and then this will be activated, the M1, and the timer one will also activate it. So you have to look at the downside stream, where so that you can interpret what's happening here. So M6 is being ready, M5 will be on. It has a latch here, but if you take a look at this, now this is M5 normally open, so it will become closed. Then the motor pump will be activated, but still it is not pushing some water. It's not squirting some water, because we have the solenoid valve now, intended for the dual nozzle system. So it will this solenoid valve will just activate, and the nozzle will just activate if the timer 1 time has elapsed. So it will count, it will be activated right here, and then this will be closed. So it is like on delay right now. So timer 1, right? Timer 1, so it will count now, then 1 2 3 4 5. No, so it will operate the solenoid for 5 minutes, and then it will become open again, as you can see now. When we push the push button for 10, now once the M6 is activated, no? So these are all activated by M6, as you can see here. And then this push button 10 will activate M2, and M2, as you can see here, it will activate the motor for horizontal, and at the same time the timer 2 will be activated, which is located at the middle right now. No? So T2, it has 10. All right, so once you have this T2, then it will work on for 10. Now for 10 minutes, now activating the solenoid, and then when the time elapses, it will become open again. The same is true with the third push button here, which is has a designation of PB15. When you press this, then you activate basically the M3. So you have to find the M3. So the M3 here is the flow of the current. So M3 will be closed, and the motor horizontal will start. And at the same time, because it's parallel, the T3, the current will come here, right? And then make this close for the contact of time 3, then it will also uh, activate the solenoid so that the power can the spray can water jet can squirt on this. So basically that's the thing. And if you have some trouble with the distance when it over travels, so if the time elapsed has been violated, so there's a sensor in the left and right of the system so that it will be cut once the timer fails. If the timer fails and the motor is still going on, so it will be detected by some kind of sensors like ultrasonic or proximity, especially the capacitive sensor, so that this will be cut. And when this will be cut, the M6 relay will be cut. So all these are closed a while ago. Now this they will become open, right? So that's the purpose of this relay. So when you are finished, you can stop or emergency stop. You can press it. Basically, this is the logic of the automatic spray cleaner of the split type evaporator coils.